is more than just a facility. It is a new hope, founded on the principles of redemption and community. We recognize that the journey to recover is long and requires profound humility. Humility is the strength to admit our past mistakes, to accept help, and to embrace the patient process of transformation. It is shedding the old self to become truly ready for a new life. This journey is supported by oneness. This center is proof that we, as a community, the government, the police, and the people, are what we do. We do not judge your past. We only look forward to your future. We are united in the belief that every deserves a second chance to contribute to the nation. This program is firmly aligned with the directives of our Chief PNP, Police Lieutenant General Lancaster's 7-point agenda. Our reformation efforts directly support the PNP's formation to sustain the campaign against illegal drugs. This fight is not just about law enforcement, it is about building a better future through Malasakit. From our regional directors' briefings